Hey guys, today we're gonna make beef empanadas. I hope you enjoy this one.
A half a tablespoon of olive oil. And we are going to add garlic and onions. So here we have the onions and the garlic. I used half of onion, white onion, and 3 garlic cloves.
We added 2 pounds of ground beef. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika. 20 minutes have passed by. I'm going to add beef powder for extra flavor. I'm gonna put the cover back. I'm just gonna use half of it, not all of it. I'm gonna place the cover again and let it cook for another 15 minutes, and then I'm going to add the red pepper. Now we have here 2 cups of red peppers. So it's 1 whole red pepper diced up, which makes 2 cups. And now we're gonna once again stir and cover it up another 10 minutes. So our meat is ready. We're gonna turn off the heat and put it to the side.
Making our empanadas, you can use this brand if you like. This is the dough for the turnover pastries, and this is the same thing as well, just in a different packaging.
So when you open the package, it's gonna come out like this. So you're going to remove the plastic, okay? You are going to stretch the dough, okay? Not too much because it's going to rip, because these are already thin. So you're going to stretch your dough. Okay. And as you can see, if I'm gonna lay the one that's not stretched out on top of it. So you might want to stretch it a little bit more. Not too much, like I said before. Only so you can cover the filling. Okay, now we're going to take a tablespoon of the meat. You're gonna place it in the middle. Okay, and we're going to spread it just in its be in the center. Make sure it's in the center. Okay, I'm going to add cheese. If you like, you can add cheese, or you can just use the cheese too by itself. Okay, now we're going to turn it over. Okay, it's a blanket. Okay. Just like that. Okay, with your finger, you're going to push in, okay? Now, you're going to use a fork. Okay, so use a fork, push it in, go over, and you're gonna do this around the patty, okay? Just like this. And you're gonna turn it over. You're gonna do it again. All right, there you go. And you're gonna keep doing that. So the 2 pounds of meat is going to give you around 30 empanadas. Okay, so that's 10 discs.
So we are now going to bake the empanadas. I have here foil. I'm going to use olive oil spray. Okay, and I'm gonna place them each.
We have the oven set at 350 degrees. We are going to bake them for 30 minutes. Every 15 minutes, I'm going to flip them. I am going to spray one more time. And I'm gonna place them in the oven. So we have some in the oven baking, and now we're going to fry 3 of them, just so you can see the difference between the baked ones and the fried ones. Now we're going to fry, and so we have added 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, we have it at medium high, and it's been heating up for 3 minutes. We're going to add, okay. And make sure you tilt it a little bit, the pan, okay, so the oil can cover the patty. Okay, so this is just if you want to fry it. I personally like them baked. When you fry them, it's less time. So when you fry it, it's going to be 5 minutes as opposed to 30 minutes in baking them. Okay. So I added more oil. So now in total there is 4 tablespoons of oil. Okay. This still needs some more cooking time. So this one right here, while I was stretching the dough, it ripped, so it looks weird now. So that's what happened. You see the oil kind of sizzling? That's because one of them ripped too. So there goes the cheese. The cheese is spilling out, so that's why the oil keeps sizzling out, sizzling. 20 minutes have passed by, so now we are going to turn them over. Okay. Okay, we're gonna put them back in the oven for another 20 minutes to 30 minutes. So these are the ones that I baked. I baked them for 45 minutes. Okay. See how they come up? That's the ones I baked. And these are the ones I fried. So this one, as I was stretching the dough, it ripped apart, but I was able to save it. And here, you can see the cheese spilled. So that's how they come out in case it rips apart. Okay, so these are the ones that I fried, and those are the ones that I baked. So I hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day.